Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use the CountIFS function. Okay, if yes function. CountIFS. Why it is CountIFS? Because in CountIF function you have only one if, but in CountIFS function you have multiple ifs. Okay, that's why it is CountIFS. Okay, so now I have a set of products here and their product categories here and their respective sales are here. Okay, the product records I have about 25 product records, and category old or new is here, as well as the number of the sales, respective sales. Okay, now I am going to use the CountIFS function and show you how to get the product Alice mutton and the old. Okay, the Alice mutton but the product category is old, then give me the count. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, equal to count the value 1. Okay, count if CountIFS criteria range 1, then criteria range 2, and so on. Okay, previously we do the criteria only one criteria range and criteria. Now it is criteria range 1 and criteria 1, then criteria range 2 and criteria 2. Okay, now what I have here is the what is the criteria range? This, which is the all the product names. Okay, what is my criteria? It has to be Alice mutton. Okay, this is my first range and my criteria. Okay, what is my second range? I have first if is over, then the second if. Okay, which is nothing but second range is above the category product new or old. Okay, what is my criteria? Second criteria, this second criteria range is supposed to be checked with whether it is old. Okay, so the range, first criteria range is products, and it has to check with whether it is Alice mutton or not, and the second range is category product new old category, and check with whether it is old or not. Close the bracket, enter. So you can see only two transactions having Alice mutton old. Okay, let's check. Alice mutton have 4 records, 1 2 3 and 4. Out of this, how many old? 1 old, 2 old, 3 and 4 are new, so only 2 records. Okay, so both the conditions are satisfied, and then only it will count. That is the multiple ifs are here. Okay, similarly we will check for number of transaction having sales greater than $1,000, but same again sales less than $2,000. Okay, it is on the same range but different criteria. Okay, how to check it? CountIFS criteria ranges sales, all the sales. Okay, now what is the criteria on the first range? It has to be greater than 1,000. Okay, what is the second criteria range? Same thing, the sales. Okay, what is the criteria range? Criteria less than 2000. Okay, this is the way you need to enter the values. You want to use the logical operator, use the logical operator and the number, but you enclose it with the double quote. Okay, close the bracket, enter. You can see 5 transactions having greater than 1000 but less than $2000. So let's see, greater than 1001, less than 2000, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The others are either less than 1000 or greater than 2000. Okay, so both the conditions are satisfied, then it will count. Okay, similarly this one, I want the old and this mutton, which is nothing but this. Okay, probably what I can do, I will make it a new and Alice mutton. How to do that? CountIFS. It rearranges the product names. Oh, first condition. Okay, whichever way, but we will put a first condition is the category new. So category is the first range and the criteria is new, which is nothing but this cell. Okay, then comma, second range is the product list. And the value is Alice mutton. This way you can refer the cells in the formula. Close and enter. You can see here 2 new Alice mutton, new Alice mutton, new 2 records, the count. Similarly for aniseed syrup, CountIFS category field, first range, and the value is supposed to be this cell, and the second range is the product list, and the value is this one. Close, enter. Then you can see aniseed syrup and new is only 1 record. Okay, this is the way you can use CountIFS functions and work on to find out the count of any list if all the conditions specified inside that CountIFS function. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments and suggestions in my comment section, and God bless you.